In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a linear search program in Python. First, we are declaring a list. Then we are taking input of the search element. Now, we will loop through the list. We will check if the iteration element equals to the search element. If matches, print element found, else print element not found. This is how our loop will work. First, we will declare a list. We will now input the element you want to search. Now, we are going to use a flag for checking if the element exists. Now, we are going to loop through the list. For every iteration, we are going to check if the element matches the search element. For this, we are going to add a condition. If matches, then we will change the flag value. After looping through the list, we will check if flag value equals to 1. If true, then we will print element exists, and if false, then we will print the element doesn't exists. Now, we will check the program. Here, you can see the output. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button and turn bell notifications to all. Also tell me in the comments what video should I do next.